You don't need a lot of followers to start earning money on Instagram. In this video, I'm gonna show you the secret hack top creators use to make money on Instagram starting today. You need to try this right now before everyone else starts catching on. Instagram is the best platform for creators and influencers to grow their follower base, but it's only getting better. Why? Now that Instagram has adapted algorithm-based content similar to TikTok, it's easier for you to reach new people and raise awareness of your brand. There are different ways to make money on Instagram. You work with brands, join an affiliate program, offer exclusive paid content, and enable live badges. These are great, but there are limitations. Some countries are not eligible for these monetization options. You need to have at least 10K followers, and content monetization is at a risk of being disabled at all times. These restrictions can make it challenging to start earning. Engagement is your currency to join the monetization program, and you're extra worried not to get demonetized. The key here is to keep your followers engaged and to create valuable and authentic content. But what is the fastest and easiest way to keep your followers engaged while making money? It's paid online challenges. Everyone loves participating in challenges because they're fun and engaging, so inviting people to join is pretty easy. But these trends come and go. And most importantly, there is no way for you to track and earn money directly from the challenge. What you can do is use free platforms like Nas.io. If you go to nas.io/InstagramMoney and sign up for a community, you can use all these tools for your Instagram challenge. Just create your challenge, explain what it's about, and add a photo. Once you publish, you will have a landing page that looks like this. Your participants can download the app to join the challenge and track their progress when it starts. For example, if you're a design expert, you can create a 30-day creativity challenge, where participants have to complete the exercises that will boost their creativity on a due date. Using Nas.io, they can upload photos or check in, and you can easily track their progress. And here's how you can use Instagram to promote your challenge and get participants. Use your Instagram account to generate buzz by creating a series of teaser videos that build anticipation and explain what the challenge is all about. Create a reel to announce your online challenge and put the link in your bio as a call to action. Go live to directly interact with your followers, answer their questions, and highlight the benefits of joining your challenge. Then, offer an enticing reward. People love rewards. It makes the challenge even more worth it for them. Knowing there's a prize along with personal transformation encourages more people to join and to pay. This could be anything from an all expenses paid vacation to a very high-tech gadget. Partnering with brands for sponsorships can even help you offer more attractive prizes. So, how is 10K possible with this online challenge? With Nas.io, you can create a paid online challenge and your participants can easily pay through the link to join. The goal here is to get as many participants as you can, so make sure you come up with a good launch and strategy for promotions. If your challenge costs, let's say $10 for participation, get as many as 1,000 participants. But if you're doing a premium challenge with a high reward, you can charge a $100 fee and you only need 100 people to join your challenge. Paid online challenges are the fastest and easiest ways to monetize. If you're wondering if anyone has done this before, here's Wariko Ankur's Hustle 100 challenge, with more than 2,000 participants ready to take on this challenge to create their first $100 online. And check out the other challenges these creators made. So, if you're ready to make your first 10K on Instagram, create your paid challenge now and bring as many people on board as possible. I am very excited to see all these transformation stories from your online challenges. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on making money online. Create a paid Instagram challenge today. Thank you.